The OpenText Core Share integration with Microsoft Office 365 makes it simple to work with files directly from your Microsoft Office applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, without moving between applications and files in the cloud. Let's take a look at an example using Microsoft Word. To ensure you have this integration enabled, from your Microsoft application, first go to Options, select Add-ins, select COM Add-ins, and finally select the Core add-in. This is installed as part of the desktop client for OpenText Core Share. With your Core Share add-in now enabled, there are options to save, open, insert picture, and other aspects associated with your Core Share file. Let's take a look at how to edit a Core Share Word document using the integration. In this document, there are a couple of comments requesting copy changes and that an image be added, all of which can be done right from Core Share. Use the Insert Picture option to find the image needed from Core Share. Simply select and insert. Back in your Core Share file list, an updated document has saved directly from your Microsoft Office application.